Just like me, do you also struggle while applying makeup for work? Today, I have just the solution for you all. I am going to show you basic makeup for the office without overdoing it. So let's start. Step 1. Cleanser. Apply a gentle cleanser on your face. Make sure you don't rub your face harshly. Take a soft towel and gently cleanse your face. Step 2. Moisturizer. I'm going to take the nickel-sized amount of my moisturizer. Since I have combination skin, I always make sure to apply my moisturizer after washing my face thoroughly. Step 3. Sunscreen. Guys, you cannot miss sunscreen. I'm going to use small amount of sunscreen on my fingers. I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck. Step 4. BB cream. All I do is take some BB cream and apply it on my face and dab it to blend. Obviously, I can't wear heavy foundation every day to work. So this is why BB cream works perfectly for me. It is quite lightweight and blends naturally without looking cakey. Step 5. Concealer. After the BB cream, I'm using this concealer. This will even out my skin tone and cover all the dark circles and blemishes. First, I'm going to put some concealer on my under eyes and on the areas where I have dark spots. Now, I will quickly dab and blend it. I always use a makeup sponge to blend the concealer, and the reason behind this is the concealer blends better and gives a flawless look. Properly conceal your under eye area to make sure it looks bright and matches the rest of your face. Step 6. Blush. Now that my base is ready, I will apply the soft pink blush to the apple of my cheeks. I'll just apply it lightly, and with the help of my fingers, I'm going to blend it. Step 7. Brows. Groomed brows are very important to frame your face. With the help of this brow pencil, I'm going to fill in my brows. I brush my hair upwards and then start filling in the product. Frame the inner edge of the brows and fill it outwards. Step 8. Eyeliner. After filling my brows, I'm using my black eyeliner to enhance my eyes. To apply the eyeliner, I will place it against my upper lash line and then move towards the outer edge like this. After I have finished lining the outer corner, I will use small strokes to connect the lines and fill it out as needed. I will quickly finish off the eye look with a dash of mascara. Now before applying mascara, always wipe out the excess. I'm going to wiggle it on my top lashes. Use the tip to keep your lashes separated. Step 9. Crème lipstick. I'm completing my look with this nude colored lipstick. This nude shade goes with my skin tone. You can use a shade which goes with your skin tone. Before applying the lipstick, I will use this lip balm to prep my lips. I will use a tissue and press it between my lips. Now, I'm again going to apply a second coat for a long-lasting effect. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Moisturizer. Step 3. Sunscreen. Step 4. BB cream. Step 5. Concealer. Step 6. Blush. Step 7. Brows. Step 8. Eyeliner. Step 9. Crème lipstick. Well, now that the makeup is done, I'll head out to work. Let me know if this quick makeup hack worked for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye!